today we solving the JEE Advanced Mathematics paper 2019. Here a point A of 2, 3 with respect to the line, this is the line is given and the point B is the reflection of this point A. If we draw the diagram, if we draw this diagram, the A is a circle. A is a circle of point 2, 3. A is a circle of point 2, 3 and B, here this is C, here this is C, and B is the reflection of A. B is the reflection of A of same center of radius of A, radius of A is 2, radius of A is 2 and radius of B is 1 of same center, and T is the common tangent. T is the common tangent to TA and TB. TA, this is the B. T is the common tangent of TA and TB. If C is the point of intersection, C is the point of intersection here, and the line is, this is the line is passing line with respect to the A and B, the line passing through A and B, and then the length of AC is what? Here the line is, the equation is 8x minus 6y minus 23 is equals to 0. This is given in the question. This is given in this question, and the xy point for this A is 2 and 3. Here we consider a extra point is L. This point is L. So AL is equals to 8 into x means 2 minus 6 into the equation of the line is 8x minus 6y minus 23. So here we put the x and y values 2 and 3. 8 into 2 minus 6 into y value is 3 minus 23 divided by root over of 8 square plus 6 square. This equals to mod of 16 minus 18 minus 23 divided by root over of, this is 100, so this is 10. So mod of this is equals to 20. Here this is 25 by 10. So this is 5 by 2. So AL is this AL is 5 by 2. This AL is 5 by 2. So AB is 5. So here AB is 5. AL is the half of this AB. So AB is 5. So we can write CB by CA is equals to 1 by 2, as the radius of the circle A is 2 and the radius of the circle B is 1. So CB by CA is equals to 1 by 2. Here CB is equals to, here this CB is equals to CA minus 5. This total CA minus 5 we can written as this CA is total, this minus 5 is equals to CB. This divided by CA is equals to half. So if we solve this, the CA is equals to 10. Length of CA is equals to 10. So this is the answer for this question. So that's all for today.